Imagine walking into your living room and instantly seeing multiple computer monitors floating in the air. A life-sized dinosaur walks through your hallway. Your friend appears beside you as a realistic hologram, even though they're thousands of miles away. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's mixed reality, one of the most exciting technologies ever created, and it could completely change how we work, learn, play, and even interact with the world around us.
But here's the problem.
Most people confuse mixed reality with virtual reality or augmented reality. Some even think they're exactly the same thing.
They're not.
By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what mixed reality is, how it works, why companies are investing billions into it, and why it could become as common as smartphones over the next decade. And if you're fascinated by the future of technology, make sure you subscribe because every week we explore the innovations that are shaping tomorrow. Let's step into the future. Imagine you're standing in an empty room. First, you put on a virtual reality headset. Suddenly, the room disappears. You're now standing on Mars. Everything you see is computer-generated. You can't see your real surroundings anymore. Now imagine taking off that headset and putting on smart glasses instead. You can still see your room, but now your calendar floats on the wall, weather information appears beside your window, navigation arrows appear on your floor. That's augmented reality. Now comes something completely different. Imagine placing a virtual robot on your table, instead of floating strangely. It knows exactly where the table is, it walks around your coffee mug, it hides behind your lamp. You can reach out and move it. The robot understands your room almost as well as you do. That's mixed reality. It's where digital objects don't just appear, they actually become part of your environment. And that's a massive leap. But here's where things become even more incredible. What if those digital objects weren't just decorations? What if they could actually help perform surgery, design skyscrapers, or teach students as if history had come alive? Mixed reality combines the physical world and the digital world into one shared environment. Unlike virtual reality, you never lose sight of reality. Unlike basic augmented reality, digital objects understand the real world. They can stay fixed to walls, hide behind furniture, react to lighting, respond to your hand movements, follow voice commands, and interact with real objects. Instead of simply placing graphics in front of your eyes, mixed reality allows computers to understand space itself. Think of it like giving computers eyes, ears, and spatial awareness. This is where the magic happens. A mixed reality headset contains dozens of advanced technologies working together. 1. Cameras. Multiple cameras constantly scan everything around you. They build a detailed 3D map of your environment. 2. Depth sensors. These measure how far every object is from you. They know where your walls, your furniture, even your hands are located. 3. Motion tracking. Tiny sensors detect every movement of your head. The digital world updates instantly as you move. 4. Hand tracking. Instead of controllers, many modern devices recognize your fingers. You simply pinch, grab, point, or swipe the air. 5. Eye tracking. Some devices know exactly where you're looking. This allows graphics to appear sharper where your eyes are focused while reducing processing power elsewhere. The result? A digital experience that feels surprisingly natural. Quick question. If you could use mixed reality today, what would you use it for first? Gaming, learning, work, or something completely different? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear your ideas. Mixed reality isn't waiting for the future. It's already changing industries today. In healthcare, doctors can see detailed 3D organs floating above a patient before surgery. Medical students can practice complicated procedures without risking lives. In manufacturing, engineers receive holographic repair instructions directly on machines. Complex maintenance becomes faster and more accurate. In architecture, architects can literally walk inside buildings before they're built. Clients can experience entire homes months before construction begins. In education, students no longer just read about ancient civilizations, they can walk through them. Imagine learning astronomy while planets orbit around your classroom. History suddenly becomes unforgettable. In remote collaboration, instead of staring at video calls, teams can stand around the same virtual object from different countries. It's almost like sharing the same room. But despite all these incredible possibilities, there's one challenge that has prevented mixed reality from becoming mainstream: and solving that challenge could completely transform everyday life. Today's mixed reality devices still face major obstacles. They're often expensive, heavy, battery-hungry, and limited by field of view. And many people still aren't comfortable wearing large headsets for hours. Another challenge is computing power. Mixed reality requires devices to understand the real world in real time while rendering realistic graphics simultaneously. That's incredibly demanding. Fortunately, artificial intelligence is changing everything. AI now helps recognize objects, predict hand movements, improve voice interaction, and make digital experiences feel far more realistic. As processors become faster and displays become smaller, mixed reality devices continue getting lighter every year. Some of the world's biggest technology companies are investing billions. Microsoft developed HoloLens to bring mixed reality into businesses. Meta is pushing spatial computing with advanced headsets. Apple introduced Vision Pro, showing how digital apps can blend with physical spaces. Google, Samsung, Qualcomm, Magic Leap, and many others are racing to build the next generation of wearable computers. This isn't a small experiment anymore, it's one of the biggest technology races in history. Now here's the question that everyone is asking. Will mixed reality eventually replace smartphones? The answer might surprise you. Think back 20 years. Most people couldn't imagine life without desktop computers. Then smartphones changed everything. Now imagine carrying no phone at all. Instead, information simply appears whenever you need it, directions float on the road, messages appear beside friends, virtual workspaces replace physical monitors. Artificial intelligence becomes your constant companion. This future isn't guaranteed, but many experts believe mixed reality could become the next major computing platform. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe not even in 5 years, but the building blocks are already here. And every year they become more powerful. Mixed reality isn't just another gadget, it's a completely new way for humans and computers to interact. It merges the digital and physical worlds into one seamless experience. And while we're still in the early chapters of this story, the next decade could completely redefine what we think a computer even is. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. And if you're wondering how we'll actually wear this technology every day, your next watch is the perfect follow-up. Click the video on your screen now to learn everything you need to know about smart glasses, because they may become the device that finally brings mixed reality into everyone's daily life. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future isn't something we wait for. It's something we're building, one innovation at a time.